TextQuest Learn360 offers over 150,000 multimedia resources. Content is added daily. The first thing you need to do when you open this database is to create your own account. This will allow you to choose the content that suits your needs, whether you're a teacher or a student. There are different ways of searching for content. You can type in words in the search bar. You can use the menu at the top. You can use the sliders that are found on the home page, or you can click the drop-down menu. As you can see, I have selected all grades, so you will see content from all grades. The content you see will be based on your selections. Here you can browse. Let's browse videos. You can browse them by subject or producer. When you watch a video,
we are here. But have you ever wondered what plants and animals live in a desert?
you will see that there is a transcript off to the right. You can see that there are various tools that you can use. You can even embed it into Google Classroom. There's a description, tags, details about the video, and other videos that you may like. If we browse games and activities, there are featured games and activities, math games, social studies games, language arts games, or you can choose them by clicking on reading activities. Here you have a passage that students need to answer, and you have the same tools that you can use. If we go to learning games, you can see you have a list to choose from. There is a description of the game, tags, and details. If you search audio, you will see that they have audiobooks as well as learning songs. And you can choose from the list, or you can choose from the slider.
There was an old lady.
As you can see off to the right, there is a transcript that is highlighted and read aloud during the video. Again, the tools that you need, as well as embedding it into Google Classroom, are available. There's a description, details of the videos, and more videos that you may like. Under audio, we do have learning songs as well. And here you can see that there are 12 titles in this series. As you can tell, it's only audio. Again, the same tools are available, same format, description, and details. Now let's browse maps and flags. You can choose from Canadian maps, country maps and flags, and United States maps and flags. You can use the menu at the top, or you can use the sliders. Once the map is pulled up, you have tools that you can use and embed it into Google Classroom. Let's see what STEM lessons have to offer teachers. The featured lessons are math, biology, chemistry, and physics. There's a list, and they all seem to be under beginner. Here's the lesson. There's content embedded. There are several pages of lessons. There are activities that you can use with the students, as well as information. The tools are available, as well as being able to embed it into Google Classroom. Now let's look at the calendar. The calendar is current for the month of June, and then you have some historical events for each day in June. So on June the 10th, is Maurice Sendak's birthday. And here you have a video. Chicken soup with rice. You can preview the video, share it, or add it to your favorites.
Taking in radio for the line reads Chicken Soup with Rice by Maurice Sendak, copyright 1962, with the kind permission of the publisher, Scholastic Incorporated. I will leave the pause at the beginning of each page.
And there you have all the content that you can browse through while using Learn360.